A magical pencil and Sara. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Bellwood, there lived a teenager named Sara. She was a dreamer and artist at heart, with an insatiable passion for creating wonders on paper. However, there was nothing extraordinary about Sara that set her apart from others. She possessed a magical pencil. This pencil, unassuming in appearance with its sleek black exterior, held within it a world of enchantment. Its leaves shimmered with an ethereal glow, and when Sara touched it to paper, it unleashed a realm of possibilities. Sara discovered this pencil on a peculiar afternoon at a dusty old bookstore tucked away in a forgotten corner of the city. As she flipped through a weather-hurt book in ancient legends, the pencil practically called out to her, emanating a faint hum that only she could hear. The moment she grasped it, a jolt of energy surged through her veins, and the world seemed to hold its breath in anticipation. From that day onward, Sara's sketches took on a life of their own. With the stroke of her magical pencil, her drawing danced off the page, filling the room with colors, sounds, and movements. Her characters leaped into existence. Her landscapes whispered tales of distant land, and her creatures frolicked in an animated harmony. However, Sara delved deeper into the wonders of the newfound gift. She discovered the pencil's unique ability. It's brought her sketches to life, but they yearned to exist beyond the paper. They longed to experience the world outside her drawings. One fateful night, as the moon cast its silvery glow upon her room, Sara's characters spilled forth from the pages, eager to explore the cityscape. There was Leo, a brave knight from the medieval world, Lona, a mischievous pixie with shimmering wings, and Orion, a wise old wizard with the beard that seemed to hold ancient secrets. Together, Sara and her fantastical creations embarked on exhilarating adventures through the streets of Bellwood. They traversed towering skyscrapers and carved alleyways, turning the city into their playground. Sara's magical pencil became their guide, shaping reality with every stroke. However, as dawn approached, a dilemma arose. Sara's creations could not exist in the real world indefinitely. They needed to return to confines of her sketches before the sunrise, lest they fade away into memories. With a heavy heart, Sara bid farewell to her now newfound friends, promising to continue their adventure on paper. As the first ray of sunlight peeked over the horizon, her sketches retreated back into their two-dimensional realms, leaving behind a trail of wistful echoes. From that day forward, Sara approached her art with a newfound appreciation. She poured her heart and soul into her sketches, breathing life into each stroke, knowing that while her magical pencil granted brief moment of enchantment, the true magic lay in the stories she created, the world she brought to life within her art. And thus Sara's journey as an artist, both in the real and magical words continued to flourish by imagination, passion, and the power of her magical pencil.